Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Varsha here and today's topic is DIY on Raksha Bandhan. So whatever stuffs or craft things or paper colors whatever we have, using only those things we'll try to make a card and a Rakhi. Let's start with our first DIY. Here I have taken an A4 sheet of 200 GSM. So I'm just folding it into half. As you can see, it should be equally folded, and on top I'll want to draw a picture of brother and a sister tying Rakhi. So I'll just draw that. First I have made a rough sketch using a pencil, and after that, to give the final look, I've used a waterproof gel pen to do the full drawing. Here I am using watercolor paint to highlight the brother and the sister in the drawing. I don't want to fill colors in the character. I just want that pop up using only the color. So here I am using yellow and orange. Want to decorate the card with some mandala pattern, so I'm making grids for that, and after that I'll using a micron pen I'll start making all the designs. I'll be using micron pen number 005. Feel free to explore yourself with different designs and patterns, and you can try anything new design or any pattern for this. Using micron pens, again I'm highlighting the designs for the character, the brother and the sister. So if you want to keep it minimum or if you want to do it more, you can do. And now using a pencil as a rough, I'm just writing Happy Raksha Bandhan. Later you can do any calligraphy or simple writing for that. It's up to you. Using a metallic pen, I'm just adding a little shine to the card for the mandala design as well as for the gifts and all, if you want to do that. If you want, it's up to you, you can make it more glittery. So yeah. Now again I'm using watercolor for the back of the card on which I want to paste the picture. So this is a permanent violet color. I'm just coloring till the area where it is like where I'm not going to stick anything. So in the darker shade, if you use less water, you will get the dark shade. So like it is done. Again using the same golden metallic pen, just as you have seen in the cards or wedding invitation cards, right? It shines. So I want to make some patterns so that it highlights. I'm just using it for the design. Again, you can use any pattern, any design. It's totally up to you. Using a craft glue or normal Fevicol, just spread it on the back of the drawing and stick it on the middle of the card. Press it a little bit and let it dry. Let's start with our second DIY. Taking both the colors, what we will do, we are going to measure it. If you want to measure it with a scale, you can do it, or I'm just going around my wrist, or you can take a help of anyone else's wrist. Just measure the length and cut it out. And I'm taking 6 of both the colors, for blue as well as the pink. Taking all the threads all together, tie a knot on the top, and taking one side of a mixed color, just start braiding like we do a ponytail, right? So you start braiding first for the 6 threads. So what I've done is I'm taking a cloth clip and just tightening that one end to something, or with your table or any cloth, just it should be tied, and start braiding for the one side. And once when it is done, what we'll do, the loose ends, right, the loose ends, we will braid it together with these. Once our full braiding is done, again we'll tie a knot at the end of the thread, and then we will measure both the sides and we will cut out the extra. Now using both the cutout of the felt paper, placing that thread in the middle and a piece of paper for a little hardness for the body, we'll just put it in the middle and we'll stick it using the craft glue of Fevicol. And on top, that glitter thread what we have, right, what we'll do, we are just going to roll it on our fingers for a little circle kind of thing. measure it how much you want and just cut it out, and using again a craft glue, or you can use even a glue gun, just place it on top where you want, and in the last we will put the paper rolls on top. So if you like the DIY, do like the video and subscribe to my channel.